Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Yoga Infusion. Now, you might be wondering why I am sitting here in a chair instead of on my yoga mat, and why I might be wearing a blazer. Well, that is because this class is a quick stretch that you can do in your office, at your desk, from your chair. It's something that you can save for any time that you're feeling a little bit tense or tight from work, and you just need a little bit of an opening stretch. So when you're ready, I'll meet you at your desk. All right, so just starting in your chair, imagining that you are at work at your desk, you can gently just press your chair away from the desk and take a forward fold over the legs. Real easy here to start. Just let your head be heavy. Make sure that your feet are flat on the ground. So do whatever you need to do to make that happen, or you can place something up on the ground to give your feet a little bit of a boost. Shake the head, yes and no. And just take a nice little stretch into the lower back. I realize that this is sort of hunching in the same way that we often hunch at our desks, but sitting so often can cause a lot of pain and tightness in the lower back, so I just wanted to start here. And actually, you can reach your hands around and gently begin to tap, tap, tap onto your lower back with little fists. Release. Now, keeping your feet on the floor parallel, you can lean forward and bring this into a full forward fold. So getting rid of the chair, actually, in this moment. Bend the knees deeply, draw the chin into the chest, and super slowly ragdoll roll up to standing. Really stretching through each vertebra. Beautiful. Want to get to the top. Inhale, reach all the way up. Take the left wrist in the right hand, ground down through the left foot, and side bend over to the right. Maybe look up under the left shoulder. Inhale, center, switching sides. Left hand grabs that right wrist, side bend to the left. Back to center one more time each side. Gently pulling the fist to lengthen a little more. And to the left. Back to center. Crisscross the arms in front of the body. And then reach around the hands to clasp behind. Inhale, lift, look up. Exhale, forward fold with the clasp. Once again, shake the head no. Let the fists move away from the shoulders. And release the hands to the mat. Bend through the left leg, straighten the right leg. Inhale the right arm up towards the sky. Twist, getting into that IT band, that right hip. Press the right hip away, reach the left arm forward. And release. Other side, right leg bends, left leg straightens, left arm reaches up. And reach forward. And release. Bend the knees. Once again, ragdoll roll up. Reaching the arms up. And then exhale the hands behind the ears, elbows wide. Inhale, lift, look up. Exhale, round through the back. Elbows touch. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. A few times. Just getting into that upper back. Last one. And release. Ground down through the right leg. Bend the left knee. Reach back and grab that left ankle, left foot. Lengthen the left knee down towards the ground. Gently pressing that left hip forward to get a stretch into the quads, a little bit into the hip flexor. Something that's often quite tight when we're seated all the time. Just making it quick. If, of course, you have more time, you can extend any of these stretches for a few more breaths. But I want to make this accessible for any time you have a coffee break at work or something like that, and you just want to move the body and get blood circulating and everything just feeling a little bit better and more energized. So switching sides. And release. Take the feet a little bit wider now. And we'll spin the arms left and right, getting into the whole spine with these twists. I know maybe some of these look a little weird, but I promise they will feel amazing after a long day or in the middle of a long day of sitting. And come back to center. Take that chair, or you can use the desk if you have a desk in front of you. Take your hands onto the back of the chair. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere, so I'm going to be very careful right now because it's not pressed against anything, but you might want to press it against the desk or just use the desk if you can. Walk your feet back to create an L shape. I'm going to turn so you can see. Create an L shape. You can keep a little bit of a bend in the knees, and then just allow the head to stretch between the arms. Stretching into the upper back, stretching through the chest. I used to do this all the time when I was actually working in the office at a standing desk for a little bit of time, and I took this stretch probably every day that I was there. And come back up. Come back to your seat. We're just going to take a moment now to sit in silence, in meditation. Bringing the hands to rest in the lap, palms face up for receptivity, face down for grounding. Close the eyes if it feels safe to you. Gently lean back so that your shoulders are stacked over your hips. Begin to deepen the breath in through the nose, out through the nose. In for a count of 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. Keeping the exhale 1 beat longer than the inhale for 5 more breaths. And gently bring your hands together at the heart in a prayer, if that feels comfortable for you right now. Softly blink the eyes open, come back into your space. And take a moment to just notice the calm, still presence that you now are. Thank you so much for joining me today for this quick desk stretch, chair stretch really. Share this with all of your office friends. Maybe take the time to do it together if that's something that's available to you. I'm so grateful for your presence here. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video for any time you're feeling stiff. From my heart to yours, namaste.